Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how this might be possible. We were talking about using a webcam to show right hand or right arm rules while we were doing some of the magnetism screencasts. So here we go. We've got a slide up on the screen right now, and I'm going to start showing my webcam in the bottom corner of the screen, hopefully. So here we go. What we would hope to see is only the hand and not the full person, but if I back up, you look at the slide and start talking through the slide, you can demonstrate your right hand rule, which of course here we've got the magnetic field pointing to the right. So I'm going to point my thumb to the right, which I guess is going to have to be this way in the camera. And I'm going to wrap my fingers around, and so basically you can show students the right hand rule as you're doing it. It's going to be a little bit tricky, but this might be worthwhile. Let me know what you think, and I can show you guys how to do this. Very simple to do. Thanks.